Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding HIVE, and in this video I'll talk about so many different things. But first of all, look at the price. Friday end of the day, what is spike from $4, it went all the way to $4.6, and end of the day it finished the day with 28% up. So first of all, it's a huge increase end of the day. So what is happening? What is the price target? How far and how we can make some money using some shares for this particular stock. So first of all, the company name is HIVE, but this is not traded in Nasdaq or in New York Stock Exchange. So basically it is traded in Toronto Stock Exchange. So one thing is you can play with HIVE.V, which is for HIVE, and the price is in Canadian dollar, or you can play HVBTF, which is traded in OTC market, and this is in USD dollar. You can see 3.75, and the same thing, the increase is like 25%. But anyway, end of the day, the company name is HIVE. So what is HIVE? So first of all, HIVE is a company, the blockchain company, so powering the future of blockchain computing. And why HIVE? Because they have a first mover advantage. First publicly listed blockchain infrastructure company that bridges blockchain and cryptocurrencies to traditional capital market, and also providing a pure play blockchain investment for the capital market while creating long-term shareholder value. And they work with both Bitcoin and ETH, but end of the day, their bread and butter, as per their CEO, Ethereum is their bread and butter, but they are also investing in Bitcoin. Also, they have a very nice presentation. If you play the video, it will show you a video of 3 minutes. I like the video because it talks about the company overall, like where is their company, what they have, what they do, everything. So I invite you, or not invite you, I'm recommending you to watch this particular video because I think this is very helpful. So anyway, I'm not gonna show you the entire video. I have more things to talk, but you can always go and watch. So the first video, not the first, my last video was made actually on March, and I've talked about this particular stock because I said that it is about to break out. The price was around $4.5, and in this video I also talked about the company. So I will say, like, go and follow the link which will appear on top of your screen. So follow the link and watch this particular video because I talked about the company, what they do, what is their future and everything. So it is more details about the company, because in this particular video I will not talk about the company. Mostly I will talk about the price action, but I recommend you go and watch this particular video. But what happened, I said there is a breakout. The price was around $4.5, and after that it for 4.5 it went all the way to 5.5, came down, and again it is going up. So we made some money, right? Also, if you want, you can go to their website. They have the investor and they have a presentation. You can click on the presentation. So this is a September 2020 version. It also talks a lot of things about this particular company. So as I talked, this is related to Ethereum, and you can see what happened. The Ethereum was up 6%, and it makes sense that HIVE also had a 28% upside on last Friday. And this is from my previous chart because I drew that line, if you can remember in my last video, that Ethereum will go up using this channel, and this is the line you see, the purple line. That's the line I drew last time. I said it will go up, it will hit at the top, it will come down. But what happened, it did not go up, it did not come down, but it followed the thing I was predicting here, right? So it went up, come down, and it is pushing towards, and my price target was around $3,200 to $3,500. And if the trend continues, actually it will not stop around $3,200. I think it will go even higher. But what can happen, I will just remove it because this is the old one now. So what can happen, actually it can go, I think it will hit around this area, 31, looks like very stretch, 31 to 3,200, then it will come back. There will be a pullback and there will be another push. So definitely if you are long term, then there is no problem, it will just go up and down, but with stair steps it will go higher and higher. But if you are a swing trader, and definitely if HIVE is following Ethereum price, then definitely this is important for you because you buy low and sell high. And also I want to show you some of the things that where Ethereum is going, because now it is sitting at close to $3,000. So all the predictions they have is around $3,000 from 32 to 3,600, and again 3000 something, right? So you can see the current price is almost $3000. So actually it can go up to 3600, but there should be a pullback. It can't just run upward all the time. So why HIVE is important? Because you can see the HIVE and Ethereum, how they're moving. The black line is HIVE, and this line is the red line is Ethereum. You can see how they move together. Most of the time it comes down together, goes up together. Again, now Ethereum is going higher and HIVE is also going higher. So as long Ethereum goes higher, HIVE will also go higher, and also any pullback in Ethereum will bring HIVE down, right? So one other news, I will talk about the price action. I'm coming back here, but just before that, let's see some other news. On April 21st, a news came that HIVE completes share investment in DeFi technologies. And why this is important? So what they do, HIVE will receive 10 million common shares of DeFi technologies, representing approximately 5% of the existing outstanding common share of DeFi technologies, in exchange for 4 million common shares of the company, representing approximately 1% of the company issued. So there is some share exchange, right? So HIVE and DeFi technologies have created a partnership surrounding the decentralized finance DeFi, right? And it talks about, and at the end, let me see, we believe DeFi is the most significant demand driver, and our investment in DeFi technologies gives our shareholder a double benefit. So that's the important news. And what is DeFi again? It's a decentralized finance, often called DeFi, refers to the shift from traditional centralized financial system to peer-to-peer finance enabled by decentralized technologies built on the Ethereum blockchain. So we know Bitcoin is not a centralized system, it's a decentralized system. So the same thing, DeFi. So again, that's a very good news, right? It's a very good news. So let's go back to the price action now. So first of all, this black line was my previous line, right? So we made some money. Now if I move these and want to see a bigger picture, so this massive green candle is showing you something, right? So we have broke through that resistance here. Now it is very important to see how Monday will play out, so we can continue going higher or we might have a pullback. If we look at a daily RSI, you can see the RSI is going higher. It's still not too high. It's 54. 50 is neutral, and anything over 70 is overbought. So currently it has more room to grow, right? You can see previously whenever it ran so hard, it came down, or there was some consolidation. So again, this is still not done yet. I think we will push little higher. At the same time, look here, the cross, the daily level, the blue line is crossing the orange line, which means this is a very bullish sign. So the blue line will go higher, RSI will go higher, and your HIVE price will go higher. Why don't you subscribe to my channel if you like my videos? Then just very easy, just click on the like button, and if you like the video, click the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, and click on all if you really want to get all of my notification whenever I post a video. Otherwise you will be subscribed but you will not see what I'm posting. I also have a Twitter page. The name is simple, The Stock Analyst. You can go and you can join me. I also have a profile in stockwith.com, and also the same name but with the underscore, The Stock Analyst underscore. This is for stock with. I think most of the people use it for chatting. You can see it's stock with. So anyway, let's go back to the main action. But how far it can go? The last time I had the resistance around 5.5, and what I found, we broke the downtrend, but we went close to 5.5, it came down. Same thing can happen. We can go higher. Currently we are at 4.7. It can go higher, it can retest 5.5, and if it can come down. And what I'm thinking with Ethereum, if Ethereum goes a little higher and comes back, same thing HIVE can do, because it can go higher, retest, and come down. So what I'm doing here, I'm doing some swing trading here. So I have some shares around the floor, because you see the blue line here, 3.5 is the floor for this particular stock. So when it came to 3.5, even below 3.5, I loaded, and I'm just waiting. Once it goes to 5.5, my profit will be 3.5 to 4.5. I will sell, and again once it will come back, I will buy back again. If you are long term and you do not like swing trading, then do not care about anything, just buy and hold. Otherwise, how I'm playing, there is no option available for HIVE, so I'm just doing some swing trading. So I know 5.5 most probably there will be a pullback. So again, if you want, you can get in now. You can go from 4.7 to 5.5 or wait for the pullback. You can see 3.5 is the floor. It goes up, comes down. 3.5 was held so many times. So if you want, you can wait for another pullback when it comes to 3.5, then you get in. But this is how I'm playing, right? And you see it also went up to 7.5 in around 20th of February. So definitely if the bull run continues, then definitely it will go and retest $7. So if you buy now for 4.7, so $7 to $8 will give you 100% profit. So this is how I'm playing, and I want to bring this to your attention because you know how it is going, because Ethereum is running definitely new all-time high. HIVE is running, it was 28% on Friday. So maybe sometime people just get into FOMO and they buy. So this is very important to see the support and resistance and what can happen. So definitely I think it will go higher. So it does not matter if it go to 5.5, I sell and I re-enter again when it comes down, or if it comes down and retest 3.5, I will load heavily because I know Ethereum will go higher, and I have no doubt. And definitely with Ethereum, this one will also go higher. So this is my plan for this particular stock. I hope this information is useful to you, and if you find any of the information I presented and you liked it, so then why don't you like this particular video? Once you hit the like button, then YouTube recommends this video to more people, so more people can see, and if I can convince them, then definitely more people will get into this particular stock. And also, if you like my channel, and then definitely subscribe to my channel, because I love to bring the stock which are about to explode or which are in a good buy zone area, so that we can all get some profit. Definitely the market is choppy, it's going sideways, sometimes we have down days. Remember Friday what happened? All the growth stock, everything came down, but what happened with HIVE? It was 28% up, right? So this is always important to have diversity in your profile, because sometimes your growth stock can come down. On the other side, your banking stock or your blockchain stock, this can go higher. So end of the day, your daily loss will not that be so red, because you will have some green days. So this is what happened. HIVE gave me a good green amount and my growth stock gave me some red, so on an average it was neutral for me. So anyway, my friends, don't want to make a super long video, so already I'm talking a lot, but again, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.